Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do using the grounded flips that we've already learned. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the first set of combos for level 1.7, and before continuing this video I recommend that you have level 1.6 down. If you do not, you can click right there for that level. First combo that we're going to be doing today is a front scoot to a front scoot. So you're going to do your front scoot and follow through with your swing through leg to a front side stance. Put your cheat knee down, and then from there you're set up to do your second front scoot. The second combo is going to be a front swipe to a front swipe, and it's going to be super similar to the first combo that we just did. So you're going to do your front swipe and follow through with your cheat leg all the way around to a front side stance. Put your swing leg down and throw your front swipe. Third combo is going to be a back scoot to a back scoot. So you're going to do your back scoot and land in a backside stance. From there you're going to put your cheat leg down and throw your second back scoot. And the last combo is going to be a back swipe to a back swipe. So you're going to do your back swipe and land in a backside stance. From there you're going to put your swing knee down and throw your second back swipe. Now if you're having any trouble with these combinations, I recommend you just work on them slowly until you feel comfortable enough to add a little bit more speed or power. But honestly, they don't have to be fast. This is just all progression tools for everything that you're going to be learning later on down the road in this curriculum. Let's check those out one more time.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also want to thank my patrons at Patreon for supporting this channel, and if you'd like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Here I'm all about helping you become the best tricker that you can be by building a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the second set of combos for level 1.7, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.